Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with a very fascinating topic, the Earth and the solar system. Solar system, right? Which comprises of sun and the 8 planets. But you will say, ma'am, earlier there were 9 planets. Why 8 now? Let's talk about, let's see which planet is now missing from this category of solar system. Come on, sun, the center of the solar system is there, which is also a bright shining star. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, is present and it is the hottest one also, right? Then is your Venus on the second position, our home, our planet Earth at the third position, which qualifies all the which has all the qualities to support life. Then comes Mars, and as you can see, it is also known as the red planet. Even Mars has shown, some features of supporting life. Then comes Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Then comes your Saturn, the planet with a ring around it. Uranus, Neptune. So what's missing? Pluto is missing, this which we called the smallest planet in the solar system. But why Pluto is not included in this category of solar system? Because Pluto does not satisfy all the quality of being called as a planet. It's too small, it's too small to be counted in the category of planet. That is why it is a dwarf planet and it is no longer a part of the solar system. So if someone asks you why Pluto is no longer the part of the solar system, you will say because it does not satisfy all the qualities of being called as a planet. It's very small in size. Now, what is a solar system? The sun, its planet, and other objects in orbit are all together known as the solar system. The sun in the center and the planets revolving around the sun and other materials which are moving, other objects which are moving in the orbit, right? They all together are termed as solar system. What are these other objects? Your meteors and asteroids. Because the planets, they revolve in an orbit. And if you see in those orbits often, these meteors and asteroids are found. So the sun, its planet and other objects in orbit are all together known as the solar system. What's an orbit? The path along which a planet revolves around a sun. Takes the, completes one circle around the sun. So the path along which a planet revolves around a sun is known as the orbit. Now let's see what does our solar system comprises of. It comprises of sun. It comprises of the 8 planets which we had discussed. It comprises of their moons. Like we have moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. There are other planets which even have 11 moons. Asteroids and meteoroids and comets. So what are these asteroids and meteoroids and comets? Even we'll discuss about these. Now let's first of all talk about the bright shining star of the solar system, the sun. Look at the image of the sun. Okay, now let's talk about the characteristics. The sun is a medium size star. It appears larger than the other stars because of its relative nearness to the earth. Nearness means it's quite near to the earth as compared to the other stars which you see in the sky, right? When you look sky in the night, you see those twinkling stars in the sky, but they appear to be very small in size. Why? Because they are at a very far away distance. Sun appears to be a bit larger in size because it is a bit closer to the planet Earth. It consists about 70% of hydrogen, 28% of helium and 2% of metals such as iron. Means the earth, it contains hydrogen gas, it contains helium gas, and it contains 2% of metals such as iron. Now let's talk about planets. The word planet comes from a Greek word planetes, which means wanderers, means the one who keep on roaming around, moving around. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. These elongated paths are called orbits. As I told you, they move in a fixed path. They revolve around the sun in a fixed path, and this elongated path is called orbit. Mercury is the nearest planet and Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Venus, because of its shape and size, is similar to the Earth, is considered as Earth's twin. Till August 2006, Pluto was also a planet, but now it is called only a celestial body. Our planet Earth. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in size, while the 3rd nearest planet to the Sun, and is our home. It is slightly flattened at the poles. It is not a complete circle, right? It is a bit of elliptical. It is flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is called geoid. Conditions favorable to support life are found only on the Earth, which can be listed as follows. Presence of air with life-supporting gases like oxygen, neither extremely hot nor extremely cold. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet.